Episode for Yasa Shebium, where the final segment of the show. And on I turns our friend penny for my manual semu, a kukudam. Na it's not enough, Yadrin Jane, send me and Sambia, Ajini and Wagana. Na Ecososano in Yamu. One so with me the wood afa text line so 1441 all networks. Nafi Makayama no be who near one so Odrin Efa or my Ghana home. My neighbors are for me no Ewofia heading kind, Miamofa. Honorable George Kuntu Blankson, trying to short just Ras Kuntu. Former member of parliament to Kumfi, I was Central Region. And they're looking much more or less like an allergy. And Honorable Amankwa Esiama, nickname me the Papa guarantee. So I need a friend. And I was just smoke fugu guarantee. Honorable Amankwa. Honestly, I'm not sure with Jenny Fantia North. Everything kunana ya dwendwen wo man Ghana ho ti ne watie ne ye na wenya me se ene obi na ka kire wo ne de wotie no UTV number no aye 1441 na so odi aba abuza fo mesa mo akwa babium na ekoye de
eko adaroma
na parliament say
parliament de eyara se eye budget na sisi eda ho a enra kire se ekoye
bad
nti
na mu debate no we say mu debate agi atum ana mu debate yi de enye na frem
oh said the ekoi de ye dom kuma no ye cheche abane se budget no o se bright
to say da so wom
bright medium short term but ye hu ni say a blight BLAIGHT yes ani hu ba omo hu say BRIGHT bright yeah dey na blight
you know bright light name right
that the L ni R no any difference
and so any problem pa
into omo dey na bright and yeah dey na blight so
mo blight no mu chemu say
yeah blight dey say e ade a okeka bomu a e dey ahokire
ena ebe Ghana
for esa edi ahokyere ena ebre Ghana for ena nso de jeze ebebie ya asetremu ama ye ho atoyen but se ohwe previous last year budget na realign no it's bibia no it's like re-engineering ye re-engineer realign ye mpo ena ye nenam 16.3% inflation yes, any nam IMF say a cope bail out. And umpo na we ya was a Canada so. Inti a idea de ahochere pa na bana idru honuma said o see a beca.
E do no chance intelligence chance and sana yako say parliament na mu achiche fa koke ncheche mu. Ghana no bohwe mpempen so ayedru na ohwe 2015 akomasi kan se ne aban be fa so atoto no niema 2015 say by Minister of Finance present here Ghana yedru mpempen so ekọ hepik.
Oh ene de me na da say ono akra ekan say CCR no debt to GDP no is 60.8 but na a week before no na yeura ohwe Bank of Ghana so governor and so at about 61.8
so you can debt to GDP and say debt to them say you can Ghana there
that's right
and GDP no so Ghana ya ho there na you
that's right enti je say you can ye nipa nyina bom nia yenya nia yedi nia yenya yakeka ni nyina bom a wahu yen say 100% yakeka bom awi e ka yede wo mu no a yentumi nyusu e wo 100% no e kapa yede wo mu e 60.8 e no no dia ba
e so wo ko hepek no
watra
na bi so ka say krobi ti say Canada United Kingdom any other developed countries no we be in the 1980 but still omo ko hepek
omo assets when like wo enema bebre ye frɛ ne say enema e wo ho infrastructure e wo ho dada existing infrastructure that is the point almost spring was so ehun hia say afi no wo kwakoye kwan fufuro bi ehun hia say afi no ko si school down fufuro bi ehun hia say afi no wo koye housing program fufuro bi ehun hia say afi no ko si hospital fufuro bi so that into me fa omo deɛ no enye den emeto yen deɛ no ɛho se wo bɛkɔ no wɔn interest rate ɛnenam ebi a 1% or 0.8% yɛ hanso hwɛ interest rate baby ɛnenam ebinom say 31 but me deɛ me to 32 33 because wo be wie kura yi ne aka say handling fee ne aka say management fee ne edi ni nyinaa yɛ den aba abɛkeka ho na ɛkɔsoro into ntumi mfa yen deɛ no enkoto omo deɛ 90% no ɛho kra omo nye sika no enema omo de ye no omo wo existing infrastructure no wo dada na yen deɛ enke yenye sika na o san ke di sika no develop enso yentumi mfa develop because ka mene yen
nche yenye sika na ne de kutu aka.
That is the point. Say emanya yetim no yen fa ne say ye digi sika be te say 100 cedis ye de emu be say 53% close to ye di tuatua adwumafo aka ye wie no na ye de aka no a service and debt ye de ko tuatua ka na ye de no interest nya ka no nya capotin no debt servicing ye de service ka no ho administrative cost no ho nya marketing no sa ne ye de edigusu na ye de etuatua wo na ne ye be ka wo yenso no a obruni se ye de be capex no capital investment no ebe se katie ni wobi kiti bi wo enti no se ebasa na ama oman no entumi nkoso obruni se yan man so statist chese or aban no government no and the control economy no into the government in the control economy no
yan etimamu no ye dan aban no
that is ye dan aban into the aban nya sika enough ewo revenue or jeje no onye sika enough emen emroso enkata mu so entua adwumafo ka entua yaka no ho kakra ema de aka no endorse enough ye de be development na chese yaye nkombesi na yehu se the social infrastructure no deteriorate kofom social infrastructure no kofom afi na unemployment so ye den increase. That is the point. Na near existing infrastructure na boa social systems no na no so tise school dan etise hospitals etise akwan na ni nyina so etise bebi e beja ye nan health services ni nyina na ye den na teba form inti yesa economy no intumi nyini na emu ayehyehyehye na unemployment ba na ede eniema bone na eba omanum krono ekoso arm robbery pie nso eno nso ekoso se eba sanso na ede corruption eno nso eba na eyesa nso ne nipa bebre dodge se ombeden betua tax because onye enough indi no onye bi ede akutua tax eyesa na eka aban ntina ema aban enso esika nyina eyeden eba fom ntina ye ka se aban no eniema osisi na ode apagya ye man no eyade a edika se ye be ka kira aban se eniema ni bi wo ho a onto no bo ebi ni eka obi eni ho no a obeka se the president kan oboka no se bi ede etwanenu da bi o na nia ye ka ne se ye oman yi die se ye ka emene yen a ewo se ye ma aban ete ne ho ase se enye eniema nyina wo ha ya ho hiehie nyina na ban we nku abetumi de afe ana abusumi nsia ana mfie minu ede aye enti ewo se eka no oto no bo ase because sika na ye gigine wo mfa nchaye yetua ho mfantum na wutua ho mfantum na uni sika bi a wonso wo de beye wa wo de ara no hia no na wo de ho ye den ekohyem ya ama edum pempenso bi a sesei oman word bi e friend usury usury say interest rate obeka se cartel bi na ema no kosoro kwa na kosoro die nti na ekosoro enye cartel bi a na ye ne se aban ankasa no guilt edge borrowing no edos ndodo
guilt edge borrowing no dey
eno ne se aban se bi a 2-year bond mometo 3-year bond mometo 7-year bond mometo na obia direct ni sika eden eko aban aba ofun sika no one private sector no fun sika no obi anso num se aban de se ni sika no obeji sika obi ade bema no ache mene wo ana company bia ene kra light ni ho egu nti obi ade ni sika no koto saa gilt edge bonds na ama kakra na aka wo bank ho no o se awe de twitwa ho nti wo ba de a e di begina 30-something%.
The sika ne bi ni ho.
That is the point because aban kra no e tua 23.5%. Nti ade nti na wo se onu de ya assured ade nti na wo se me di misika ko bo bibisi a e bia wontumi kure ntua na na djuma nso kogu onya kane anya adjuma nti ade na wo se me ko bo no bisi asa nti ene nam 33-35 nti upa bra na beje na hwan yeti hoyi hwan na be kwakwaji bisi a 31-32-35% a wo betumi atua e dia ya adjuma wo de ya adjuma nso a menua light nso ni ho oh nansen ya nya asisem madam fu bi se manager bi de director bi CEO bi de nika oyeye plastic ni maybe na o share ne se omra na o magi ni sika ofia da bi na ja ofi parliament to ni ka hu okoduru ho no oh chese ehwabo lata chese ye mprani mu ho kra o watum ono so employ ni pa over 100 watum a chese onya kane a amfa nya djuma okoto generator oso ofre no obisa no se generator no so asen hwe nipa dodo yi a enya adwuma ono nso o twagum nyina na otua ho tax na tax nso ontumi ntua ma abai nti na ma aban so ahoɔden nso yɛ de aban so ahoɔden nso te wo nti no ade a ɛha ɔman yi pa ɛha ɔman no ɛde kyerɛ sɛ ɔman no ntumi nkɔ nanim budget ne de wa yɛ abeto but unum so wan so unum say budget na wa ya beto e be dine be nwanwa say ye betumi ama enema akoso say de e wo say ekoso
honorable Sima ansana mako raskunto ye to aba ema aban say sebi ono so mra na onfa mpotudwuma mra na nipa nya adwuma nye nti die nti na si amanyofo ho kwan most especially the government of the day so obetutu niam ye say ne wo kan say budget e ba ye nheda nko ye nti na mato say blight budget ne so nkoye mamatimamfo na mo so ana mugina yanem e wo parliament ti die nti ana the government of the day nti mintoto niam ema na emmo atimamfo no kakra
enu nti ena yen a ye wo domketo afam tambia ye twe aban adwenba so se niam wei anyway said the aircon hweniye na enkoyi ebi ne eka ye twe aban adwene e de ba so se ontonobo emobesian enyi efi se obeka ya last budget
mo ka se aban tonobo a yesi mo mfa obroni so you don't find any alternative solution say enka wanye ni say no senka wutumi ye ni say
oh there be eno de obi eni ho no mo obeka se ye nka nkyira aban se ontonobo ye ka kyira aban se me se busian no o jai besian no ebo
no
o make sure say PPP no obeye ni ye say PPP a banka ho asem kan bisa ho say companies ahe na enye sika 3D pa o mbetumi dia spring up ama importation no eso ahyeda atepa ene poultry farmers kra esu say oma ye nkokọ no kra no o munya baabi enku enfengu because importation no abama sisi no o munya fridges kra emfa o mo de no en storage ni o oh ebi nso ni egusu kra na say ni eda nkokọ kra no so no to eda nkokọ kra so no na eso aban ba we yisu kakra nti ama importation ahomeka bam na nsan ya no se wa nyense ya ye ma we import to say eno na ye hwe se ebia ebetumi akyeda aye adwuma pa nti ye nka no kwa ye ka etu bra ni achi
me pacho me pay yes or no say minority for do you have the solution to our problems at hand?
Oh, say ya bubida nti eno kra de me nhye da mfa wo enkwachiri kufuo bebu aban bisa ho se besi ahe na ye boy ene ye de economy ni nsu kodu ahe ye prefer economy ni bra na ye hepek sate ye kono 8 years pew ye de kodu lower middle income nti eno nko adi ye ho adase ye ko na NHIS na function fully ene NHIS no enuro kokumase ye so munya duro kura ema ayarefo ye ko na school feeding program na eye adwuma ye ko capitation ni etua ye ko common fund ni etua ni nyina ko fom ye ko ni etua adwuma ye foka enne teachers eye adwuma ebinuma ye adwuma de wo ye se mfie mienu afe ne fa afe ye se ebetua aka bosme suspended de aka ye ko no na nurses etua omuka o ye ko no na nursing training
so mo ko mu ja ne pa
nursing training for na ye ma wan allowance na a teacher for so ye ma wan aban be withdraw ni nyina sai sika nyina ba aban ho ye ko na oil ni ho ni oil economy hwe baby ye grow economy ni kodu ye as say economy no and nam 2 point without oil no next year say obviously nam 2 point a little beyond 2 enu 3 ho hwe what you say enti fa wenu nyina toto ho say ye kwa na oil ni mu say na nete ye kwa na koko buo enu ni adu ni hwese ne na economy ne te ye kwa na gold buo enu se de adu ni hwese ne na te ye kwa na oil ene nam 140 na ene ahafo hwese ne na ye ton fuel ene ene se ne na ye ton fuel mi wanzo salaries enye index linked wahu cheze inflation no eko no nanka we no salaries entisa salaries da fom 18 na inflation no na erane na aban so de ahụ
that is the situation on the ground and say
benipa
honorable that's it Raskuntu
yeah me
yeah share economy no and budget no
yeah we there my father wa kwanje du na metia ye etifo a omutie ya na pay more especially ye
record omutie no mo sa hwe
wo mo hwe enso ka ho say ye nkromi enu bi a na otwe awie yi wo ye o mafahye ekumfi mo to ne ekumfi ekumpano so fasa kwan suma wa finchi apa na odi akopan o mi na watunsa friend say membra na mbebo omuchidom say ya me pa me invite weekend me enko bo onchidom
ya behwe
menua obi eni wo betuma akede obetra wona wodne be judge no behwe ma chede o man na say na economy ayeto ya na wode ye economy no aban bia bebu manya ayeto yara na busie yara ozande Ghana na wo hwe economic structure na foreign driven donor support since time immemorial structure in changing.
They say it is the responsibility of you politicians to change the structure.
It's the responsibility of we the Ghanaians, not politicians.
My responsibility is to give you my mandate to go and change the structures.
So once you give
my life.
Once you give me your mandate, it is your responsibility to also to support fully. So I'll be able to use your responsibility to transform the society for you.
Honorable, what is the support that the politicians derive from and they expect from the citizenry?
Invading tax. You are a citizen. That is it. When you invade your tax, what do you expect the government to do? When the institutions people have been put there to manage the institution are not working.
But most of the institutions are answerable to the government of the day.
But what do you see? If it happens there, this institution, the leader or whatever is misbehaving, you ought to, reassign him or reshape him somewhere. What do you see from the people?
So if people are not paying now, when you're doing say, "I buy na said yes, sir." Also, if you are not,
100%. Why do we give mandate to government? We give mandate to government to govern and make sure that the society is well catered for. But at times also, we the citizens, we have a civic responsibility to support whatever system that is coming.
To support is paying our taxes.
That is it.
Some of us are not paying.
Yes, and do what is right. You understand? For example, let me give you another example, like illegal connection of ECG. So as you do the illegal, so we are the illegal connections, you know. There revenue na abani be so and this revenue so na local internal generative fund na o here dey your man nsenka ya bo se na ogwagobo o se na ogwagobo oh ye tumi ka ye kan sem na asif say onipa ba ko na no ho kire but ye na your responsibility. I'm very happy to be sir menu no be she be go me question there. What is their role? Budget ya, what alternatives do you have? What's more borrow? Because that time I'm mobile, what the uncle epic. There are times I don't want to make reference to the past. Because past is never. What's it there? No. Hypocrite.
Making reference to the past, no boy me a question.
And I may hypocrite. It's a chosen papa, Mumu choosing.
Because we came.
Because there was an economy that was in running. Now, mobile was okay. Be a circumstance. Mudi bunu, Mosha, and Mwa, na muchusu.
That to GDP.
Na muchusu hypocrite. That's why you could have done another policy. Because there were a lot of barriers or the avenues or systems with IMF. But you decided that this is the path.
It was free and good for the nation.
That is the thing. That is your decision.
And we are enjoying the benefits as we sit here.
So what do you see now?
You know.
Because of the hypocrite, you hypocrite. Say if parliamenters were writer, situation. That is the thing. Because also Tono will say the borrowing is the only way that can survive. I mean, help the economy to grow.
We have to generate internally.
That is what I'm saying. The internal generation
electricity is not working, so they cannot pay.
But Massa, you see,
fiscal contraction policy.
You see, there are certain things that we as a nation, we must set our focus right by doing what is right, allowing institutions to function. When we allow, say, institutions and structures no function, everybody will be responsible to the task.
Now, and yeah, a banner said yes, so institutions na yejuma.
Perfect.
My brother, let him give you a typical example.
Go ahead.
Look at what is happening at ECG. Now, a banner is also okay. Situation equally, Mammy ni pay fan and Kwashaha. Na obisum besum. What do you see?
Well, I'm seeing a change in the management of ECG.
And I see so about Norcodo.
Depends on what you mean by the cause.
Demonstrations here.
Agitating.
Oh,
staff when they say
yes.
Calling for.
So, do you see things better than the one who is governing? I mean, why? What's that? We should give a break and respect to authority. Or maybe young folk more authority. Or man into me, Gina.
But mind you, respect is end.
You see?
Institutions now any human. Some of the things that could be reprisals from the ECD staff. No, and we just say, "Omon person institutions be human."
I'm in charge. Now me who there Damati me ya ono obabu Damati. Now so odi tum na mam da mesmre ye. Na sesere mpena me ya. Kosi nkosi. Kote. Ye kote
already said or the 2 million amount. What's the saying we are? Of course, go for be pre kakra. But once you feel say you being the leader, I want any the respect and the confidence of the people at Obama. What take decision say, "Omani da chintidia." When you say,
"Yeah, me
I'm wanting say, share DC." See, you know, see, asari.
And I'm sure say, "Me share." And near maybe wa, Emma or mine ne image go can say.
It's a money image.
One of what I want to wash or mine, Unya and Unyam.
Nisubia.
Manani munyam.
A bread or man and Unyamasi. What I say? Say, investor be balance or Kasoke, more energy crisis. Intimate by investment. Now, my boama, dam at the intimate modo. No more yano, more pain you pay for, one found from that, no more penny, investor of lawlessness. No, maybe I'm rushing you, Juano, or man and Cosu.
Into political leaders in the end, when your comments no more fun to
let us obey laws. Everybody must live to their task. See it to me, yes, sir. I know Kakrebiara, whatever told my no, you bet to me, I ate my Atasa. Nasi, I ended up. Nessie at Damadia better. No, budget, and say, was a bright budget na nipanala or year buying.
Bright near
blight. Oh, when it does so pa. What's all say? Yes, young when it do I will shame him. What's that, Massa? Near budgeting now, obeying in an and ever come or winning Panawayama. What in power, what I win pursue crano and Sakai baby. Sinto baby. Yamibo, you are the one badging armor, Adinano, and repay it. Because you won't say. Nina bumu anayede ewie peye tibakun tu mingina si ehunu dama na mo onko ye ne yanso ye hu kwan bi a ye ba fado a ye ba yema ayeye na akaka ma wan hu do okoye nu second delegate ye hu de oye exchange rate ya o kana sele onua wod ne ba nan sen spio gabra wetu wana mo ye ho adwuma oye adwuma na wahina oye adwuma ma aman de mebe ya wo fa akwandua sabido a oye Bank of Ghana na ono o set up interest rate na no so on de to da private sector so be den obato do
ono omo increase omo
ana mi change so what no do a private sector no be den obato do ono rutu wana mo wo guda wo din kita ho ye na no chode ye de say weni so adehu bi a memo ho ye de support no minua jiwe ekwan da American kwan ye fado ane da say me my jumedinti me my inti ye ko share ho very good enkoko sem na okay wo fra ha na bisiu oche de sisia no local production kra no wo kuta about 400 or 4,000 papa bi wad no beto oya analysis a say wo hwe local product now we compare with the imported one now massa see a managing here your advantage than the foreign countries now and there are a lot of SSSR other party e benya funu a ebe boa your economy than importing those things sister nika chende wode niam bi egu akwan mu a ebe ma dam importation be brase ono de na ye hwede dam embra na wode ato yin na ebe hwede ye nua bi onkobudu no fancy your mind na ye o memu anu de se obini nua no se wo dey obini o ya adza a obehu na obekan lenka ozana mi nua ntime nka akaka bakam so ho ozana mari ye nyina no de come no adaza nti mesre de maye kanu ye nhwe de asema ye kanu mebe bo man no woni sika ntutu mu na ye nua no mi won techi no won hwema oman
na ye nya bright and blight no
na bright ye fa bright one no ase bright
many fee am di Ghana manyu semachi me hu say government of the day be ready budget I'm opposition I so this one is a very good budget very good budget maybe the opposition goes to parliament with cars and everything
Leman time
then come back to Raskuntu come back to my question say politicians omo dwen Ghana ho
masa maka say enyo na maka so say debi
still the question has not been answered.
Yes, because edu baby political interest no outweigh the national interest.
And we shouldn't be the case.
That is it. Because yes, mo mayo yansuma amayoku.
Cheba so say take a decision bi na ebe kwa ma oman no and ebe kwa ma party the party bit manya power next time. E be take party there no.
Yes. Or dey hwe oman no interest.
Okay, mama call me text message so. Bella or if we see bisa NDC ni ma me say Parliament to electricity bill na. Parliament they call electricity bill.
Kajenda minyi ho se sia nti. Mi otu won mi say, o mi say.
O mi de 1 million na o mi de buy no. Na o say about State House and the other house. 3 institutions and a compound.
Parliament in Kwa.
Into omo
secretary na kan.
Omo ko chichemu na Parliament ni en but they are non crofubis and in Parliament that they are into but they buy a bit.
A bamboo,
says can it be over there? Sabana de
Mahama and the NDC have not got the capacity to manage the economy. That is why we are suffering. Kofi Tonto from Cape Coast. Rap Bayi, Medin Woriasio. Also, I want to know where UTV is located. We are Wabeka Junction, Shep House. Do a Hona UTV. Adam, also with Mahama, our mother Ghana has no further. Adam, I'm sorry, I can't continue reading your text message. Mr. Modi Banaja, Obamodi answer be clean kakra. Say you drink or drink, Sabi, a senior sunny baku for trim to do the other bar and Abua. So, Ghana, dear, depending baby, Ujina, dear. But still send another or say come and say nothing.
I need.
Please tell them that when they are reading the budget, they should consider unemployed. More money Jumana says we read budget no naja makaya omukakra. NDC cocaine here, cocaine there, Nazir Edifree Kwashiman. What has the cocaine got to do with the NDC? I'm saying people are saying say Obano VVIP now we use you know. UTV, you are the best from rap Penny. Please, Where is our man TK? TK is doing very well. You'll see him very soon. Yeah, kano a doctor for no idea. Anyway, Yemra na fe yemre and someone ekoso ewo Ghana ha agidin pa even yesterday. Deputy Minority Leader Honorable Dominic Niti went to Parliament with a bag of rice. Msebi ankomo kono in the lunchtime. So the quiet demonstration which Niema. Honorable, I mean patriotically, do you think says Kukina Semi, are we handling it well? Because only pano a suspect no UK I na me boy china because in Libya. But I say ahano ya pass a judgment every.
Oh, obian pass a judgment near a sea and Parliament na Sempa, but say overshot me born toughan on say majority leader no or or apologize say and Simbia okay in no a young function if say one can ye editor say time one need to honorable need to a peja a mono editor say chimu ena oyede odema obi Ghana ha onim senior 12 kilo weight etie
I was a mono was at the channel.
Aha. Obi ho onim on se binum ko akoso mu ahwe. Obi ho no onim senior 12 kilo weight na tie. Into o chem se 10 ni e na 2 nsu ni e ka ho na 12 half no 0.5 no kra e me ka ho no. Enti no budget ya ye twa sika a ye de ama security for and omzo no ombe use e de aboy man hu ban. Na so ye twa sika a ye de ama om se last year twa bi. So mo fa mo oman hu ban enti ode kire Ghana fo nyina se mo hwe saa weight you se obi ebetumi akita saa weight e de afa VVIP e de akwa akotan lo prem a ye twa sika e de ama nakobofo e de ama all other security agencies a omo obi na nyina aka ho national security ka ho police nso ka ho ye twa sika ma omo se omo mo ye hu ban a ye nim ni boni akoken ebetumi ede aye amaye economy no na so betumi the weight kakraka sei etumi kwa wa ma ban bia din
ese ko fa ketwa nka ko fa kakra bi nka ho
enye sa ode opese o che ne se eye den na we no etumi eko a security for entumi hu mu hwe weight ne Ghana for mu hwe weight no so bi betumi the way afam akọ a obi ntumi hu no se na kwa hand luggage na emu dudu say aden security for yetu amuka mu ye adwuma that was the expression no person put across out there am Ghana for wait no any adwuma ye any security for adwuma omo ye o man say we num nyina etumi fa o manim ko omo hunu hwe enu na okọ express wa ma obi adini
afedru baby na afa say bufu
edu baby no na majority leader bekwa akokasa se ye chi ye nipa bi na omo de yenchi obia me modini bia ha yenchi obia na we nso onye MP na onye se enye
no but any problem no equalization no say na momo de ba na we ba
enwo se nka equalization no kra de esi wo parliament na we kra no equalization bia ho hia if say one mo bia dini or check Ghana for the weight of 12.5 kilos and or the 12 koe less than 5 na 12 no mponi
I'm say 5 no kra wenya
5 no
onya 12
or the
10 need to
that is the point any right any responsibility say or no or representing the constituency no so we nim e on the constituency what I say omo hwe weight a yetumi allow ya egu Ghana nyina animu ase yanka say go NDC fu animu ase yanka say go MPP fu animu ase egu Ghana nyina animu ase Ghana any Ghanaian everywhere in the world no are you concerned. Well, now Udin has come into this report.
Across board no yen use case ya bay yen hwe abayana mo awotu efa ho the dissolving of dissolution of the NACOP governing board no we say ya na mo a eboa to ye betimi aso sa na mo ya no se drum pepen so bia Ghana ye din ni image se na honorable
enyi bibia na ya na metumi aka ho asem menye security personnel but ya metumi aka ne se me de ya mehwehwe ne se aban edi investigation no beto fom na emu ada ho na aban animu nkogu ase
so far 12
hwe animgu ase kese e bae dia se no kra no se NACOP be kan se omo collaborate with the British security What you say? And sana we only effect arrest no. And I chi nipa no. Ba British ambassador number because no, I entro. If such an important government machinery, e betumi aba abetwa ntro. E dey akire Ghana for. Ama Ghana for ni magu asikase say. British for they are part of our donors. Interne donor fund no emma. Ene bra ye bre yo. Mini ane kan wansem. Donor fund
ya enti na etwa so ana say.
Anya sa enema eko economy mu emfie kakra bi mu ni di. Donor no omo mfa funds no nye den. Emma enum bi kan ho. Entura kase uhu ayi o ntwi akasa ponche. We say ya
bi ayi say asabi ekwan bi so aban ensa.
Abi ni say ye tue security for ka. Se omo hwe se omo be chi cocaine. Na ye ntumi anchi cocaine na cocaine na koduro. Na omo ye tua omo kasa omo nchi cocaine be ka say omo ni British for no collaborate ye. Na British for na ba ka say ade na mu twa ntrosa. Mo ni anya hwe ye ya na ya chi no. Anim guase kese efi kese egu omai. Eno na me de that is my major concern. Say Ghana ni be everywhere. Say na mobile mu nipa bi tumi twa ntro say nakobofo omo ye aban nipa they are part of the executive. What you say? Omo tumi twa ntro say pa dia na ehun ti wa hwe ye kra na obi wo ba bia na de ko fore
wo dwen say aban ni session o defending ho no
sakeke enyi say bia nti na ya concern no anim guase na beba omo betumi e de akọ na chi akọ fore ye executive no a hwe sa branch no so no eno na ya na concern. Inti osa ban should come clear. Baby osa ban kasa na osa kasa. Baby en osa ban kasa na osa ban kasa. Information nti wan ko kasa mo collaborate ye. E na nka ya chi ono anka ebia security labs. Ana say ebia say ni say na mo be kan mu nukura. What you say? Anka papa British ambassador anka obetumi aka. Inti no mo say they would never ever take food from their poor and enrich our rich. Internet sikano donors no omo mfa sikano ma no eya dey higher adwene there must be full sanity say you be making sure say you can create transparency our system no no be genuinely no enipa be boy mami
come test me honorable na fi mami nko ras kuntu ndina dio Alhaji honorable Ras Kuntu, I think this is for you. Alhaji honorable is just shouting in my ears, please control your temper and understand that people are struggling to survive on daily basis. It's not interesting at all. And please, just to Honorable Ras Kuntu, when will the president force Wayomi to pay the money? Ras, where answers our question. Boama says our economy is very poor. President Mahama, please do something for Ghanaians, for we are suffering. Sometimes MPP talk as if during their term everything was rosary. Okay, you know, during their term the population was. I want to ask them how much was the population of the country during the term of President Kufuor. Thank God he gave them all the wisdom to rule Ghana, but it's not true. They don't have all the wisdom to rule Ghana. You know,
your friend, say you can't cocaine once a month. Maybe there or there, yeah, careful.
Careful, as in
there. As I knew, man can once. Ebina nakop kaka there. We collaborate with the British authority. Now British authorities have a there. I know what.
Was it they've been collaborating since 2006? But not in this particular case. There was no collaboration.
As I say. But I not sent in the done until then. And if you end up some day, I never ma enunyam beba o mine do. Ozande ndrubonezi oyaza obia na nyinye ho. Ozande so obekroma osemufra.
Cocaine anywhere is cocaine everywhere.
Yes, osemufra. Atase.
Penefon so no bia say wo.
Asewo.
Ese nipa.
Me example like yenua bia na owui anche bia kikijan.
One so do see.
We interview no me ro hoy. Cocaine ti hwene gina bia okogina. Atase. Enti se ye damnzama na ye kan wasema ode ye hwe ye jama wona we responsible
almost an entry entry.
Why you responsible? Sisi ana seminar them there watch ma me no injury sha brochi. Indi si ana seminar wo injury sefo wo sem. Na no for so abeka yan wa ha. Ma yan so ya chichi bi wa ha. Ye ho adwuma. Me mesre de ma yan ya kire won han. Ye hwe won asem nka. Na British France wo wie what na what the detail report ne bran na. Ye tum yan so ya atnem na ye suem na ya wususum. Ni ehu no kwa no wum na de atugwa.
Hallelujah.
Na se yan ne dam we kwagina no akadam we kwagina akadam wan hwe ne yi a efi wo de one beka two ho no na nkoye na nso akofo yende
na anko balance accounts na balance na
akofo yende bi na abeka yen nyina ozande an epena come say the image ehia papa
your bogana dia dia ne ka so
yes ebi na se me catch there our economy na foreign driven donor support and it's a donor support mba abanzo ntrauma na makomend wo do kwaje bosia
politicians mu ma domestication ya dwuma mu nyusu ya ngasa de say and this advancing homegrown solutions be wo
homegrown policy na and there you mobilize within mobilize within na mo say
Ghana goose ne ko China
who create homegrown problems o ka open foreign solution
mo ya who atemi on the budget abeto a bright future budget wo say ability future budget
it's quite fast creating problems if fast one solve homegrown problems homegrown
baby it is sense and necessity amano
abusia homegrown program na ahani edibese edam 24 say thank you very much mo so mo hwe edam asepa my very good friend Adu Abu Fletcher tafro kokosechi who ani GFM say YFM and your birthday happy birthday to you my brother na me mu ana enyi sika bebre na bu ana don't create homegrown problems in Ghana. Honorable George Kuntu Blankson we mrashe bedwani we akumfi yeta a friend former mrashe bedwani akumfi yeta friend Ras Kuntu na bafia be
and aspiring to become again and again
and the secret and a fantia kwa mrashe bedwani fantia kwa not mrashe bedwani honorable guarantee honorable Amanko Siama
mama entia me grofo no gra me start the begro me chia mu nyina meeting Monday ni ye me kwasiribusu community na me san ba begro na ade a entiasi wo mpa me ka kire om se ajanambia na mabobo se ajanambia na maye se me ye ni nyina no me gusu a me ye ho adwuma enti emube se weekend ye be start ni nyina miensa no ba ko de ya start miensa na ye renovate no ni nyina course pepepe afi school for no computers no laptops no ni nyina buy de bete ye de be fa ye kola ni data ene printer ene modem
ona bo sheboni yo na next you say you rebusa say why na why
Eguha
say adna members of parliament mutasi ejana bia pa aduane so enye bi nguyeye mkra na eyiye
yare na eba na nsen no okay why should we allow preventable diseases
we answer this question we answer this question next week abusuafo na chese aha na dae koso ye do bibia ase ye de twedi amponyankopon so ase say odi abedu sam pempenso ye bidan production team nyina ase na me want to know nchiro have a productive Wednesday bidin ni Kwame Ajetia ye be say hia nyampa china bye bye.